Welcome to Mandarin Made Easy. And today we will learn how to express gratitude in Chinese, like how to say thanks, thank you very much, etc. In this video, I will teach you some casual ways, some formal ways, and some ways how to respond to thank you. And this lesson is so simple because you don't have to write anything. You don't have to read anything. You just have to follow me and speak along with me. And in this way, by the end of this video, you will be able to speak like Chinese. So, are you ready? So let's start. And please join my channel by subscribing it. And let's go now. The most common Chinese word for thank you is xièxiè. Yes. Simply repeat these two sounds together. xièxiè. Now speak along with me. xièxiè. 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 Oh, that's wonderful. And please smash that like button for me so that I can say to you, xièxiè. Now, another simple word to say thank you in Chinese is xie le. Yes. Xie le. Xie le. Simply say xie le in fluency. Xie le. Okay. So you can use both of these words, xièxiè or xie le. That's it. Now, if we want to say thanks a lot in Mandarin Chinese, there are again two simple sounds. One is duō and other is again xie. So duō means many or too much. And xie means thanks. By combining it, it becomes duōxiè. 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 Okay, try to speak along with me. Duōxiè. Yes. In fluency, you can say duōxiè. Duōxiè. Duōxiè ni la. Duōxiè. And how to respond to thank you or thanks a lot in Chinese? There are again two simple words. One is bù and the other is xie. Bù means no or not, while xie again means thank you. And when you join these two sounds together, there is a little variation in the tone of first word, bù. It will become bù and then xie. So you will say bù xie. Bù xie. Speak along with me. Bù xie. Once more. Bù xie. And in some speed, bù xie. Oh, bù xie, bù xie. Now try to say in this speed, bù xie, bù xie. And if you want to say thank you to a person who has done a lot of hard work or effort for you, then what should you say? Of course, you can say xièxiè or duōxiè or xie le. But there is a proper word for it in Chinese. There are four sounds. Xin, ku, ni, le. Yes. Xin means heart. Ku means sour. Ni means you. And le is just a sound. Look, I'm trying to avoid any grammatical terms so that you do not feel it boring. So, 辛苦你了 means you have done a lot for me. Thank you. Now let's practice this phrase a few times. So simply speak along with me. 辛苦你了辛苦你了辛苦你了辛苦你了辛苦你了 Once more, 辛苦你了 You can also pause this video for a while and try to repeat it by yourself and try to say at least 5 times, okay? Then tell me in comments how was the result. Now let's learn some formal words for saying thank you. And it is again very simple, don't worry. So a bit formal word to say thank you in Chinese is 感谢 That's it. 感谢感谢 Speak it with me. 感谢 Now how to say thank you very much in a bit formal tone is 非常感谢 Here 非常 means very much. 感谢 means thanks. So try to speak it with me. 非常感谢非常感谢 Once more. 非常感谢 And finally, 非常感谢 And we can expand this sentence a little bit by adding a word you. So, how to say? 非常感谢您了 Here, 您 is a formal way to say you. Otherwise, it is 你. Now it is 您. So, in formal setting or if you are talking to someone elder, you should say 您 instead of 你. Now speak this sentence along with me. 非常感谢您了非常感谢您了非常感谢您了 And how to respond to such a sentence? There can be a couple of words like 不谢 as we have learned it. And another word is 不客气 Yes. 不客气不客气不客气 Try to say 不客气不客气不客气 It means no need to be formal. It's okay. And another word in Chinese is 没事没事 Yes, this 没 is also equivalent to 不 which means no or not. And 事 means any matter. So 没事 also means it's okay. So you can say 没事儿, 没事儿. Yes, 没事儿. So this was today's lesson, and again, if you press that like button, I would say thank you very much. 非常感谢您了. You can rewind this video and try to speak along with me as much as you can so that you become fluent while saying these words. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please tell me in comments. And now let's play our next video.